In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable email in your Wix footer. By the end, visitors will be able to contact you with a single click and your site will feel more polished and professional. Start by opening your Wix site editor. Log in, choose the site you want to work on, and make sure you're in the Wix editor, not a different builder mode. The Wix editor gives you the controls we need for adding and linking text inside the footer. Next, add a footer that includes an email section. Click Add, then go to Elements and use the search bar at the top to type footer. Browse the templates and pick one that already includes a spot for an email address, like a simple text-based footer or a contact style layout. Click to add it to your page. It should land at the bottom automatically. Remember, footers typically show across your site, which makes this a great place for contact info. Now, edit the email text so it reflects your real address. Double-click the email text inside the footer to open the text editor. Delete the placeholder and type your actual email. Take a moment to proofread carefully. Even a small typo will break the link later. Choose an inbox you monitor regularly and make sure the text is legible with good contrast and a readable size. With the text still selected, turn it into a clickable link. Look for the link icon in the text toolbar. It often looks like a chain. Click it and select email as the link type. In the email field, enter the exact same address you just typed in the footer text. Confirm it matches character for character. Then click Apply or Done. This creates a mail to link that tells a visitor's device to open their default email app with a new message addressed to you. Before you publish, preview your site. Click Preview in the top right corner, scroll to the footer, and click the email link. Your default email app, like Gmail or Outlook, should open with a new message addressed to your email. If it doesn't, return to the editor and double-check both the visible text and the link settings. Make sure the link type is email and that there are no stray spaces. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your clickable email live across your site. That's it. Your visitors can now reach you directly from your Wix footer in one click, improving both usability and trust. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.